I'm Tim Linberg, and this is 60 on Artificial Intelligence and B2B Manufacturing. We recently surveyed hundreds of CX professionals to get a better understanding of the technologies that are affecting their customer experience today and where those technologies are going tomorrow. A true, scalable, personalized customer experience can only be enabled through the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. And yet only 28% of these respondents are using this technology to do one-to-one marketing, and only 16% are doing so in an expanded way. Or put another way, 84% of the industry is already at risk at falling behind in AI-enabled personalization. With that much of the market lagging behind, there's still an enormous opportunity for B2B manufacturing and distribution organizations to beat the competition with personalization at scale. Commercially available CRM and CMS platforms exist today that enable organizations to leverage artificial intelligence and machine learning to actually deliver on the promise of one-to-one marketing.